Imperatives. All right, so remember those last videos where we talked about subject pronouns? This video, forget that, because we don't need subjects today. We are talking about imperatives. So maybe you know the song, Don't Worry, Be Happy. That's an imperative. All right, so today we're talking mainly about using imperatives to give orders or give instructions. We are telling somebody to do something. For example, your teacher will say, bye class, and then at least my teachers always remind me and they say, do your homework, right? They're not asking me to do my homework, they are telling me to do my homework. So they say, do your homework. As I mentioned at the beginning, we don't use a subject. So the teacher would not say, you do your homework, right? Very simple, just say, do your homework. Sit down, go out, eat your vegetables, right? All of those things, usually when a person from a higher position is telling someone to do something, we use an imperative. So we forget the subject and we just start with the verb. All right, so turn off your phone. Subscribe to this video. That's an imperative and a good one. You should do that right now. All right, as I mentioned, we talk about people with power. So my wife, for example, is more powerful than me. So she says, Matt, call me later. Don't forget, right? She doesn't say, hey, you call me later. No, right? Just tells me what to do. Call me later. Don't forget. Buy milk. Turn off the TV. Anything like that. Anytime she's telling me, or my mom or my boss, they're telling me what to do, they can use an imperative. So police officers and things like that, right? Show me your ID. Stop the car. Things like that. Those are all examples of imperatives. Of course, you guys can show us some examples. Just throw that in the comment below. If you look at our other videos, we'll answer you. All right, so the next thing here we see don't worry. That's kind of like number one. We're telling you to do something, or in this case, not to do something. But we can also use be. So be plus an adjective. Be careful, be quiet, be happy. Anytime we have an adjective, we can use be, right? We can't really say be hot or anything like that, a little bit strange, so be careful with which adjectives you use this. And the last thing is we can use let's. Now this is similar to an imperative, and let's kind of means like we or us, and we can use that to make a suggestion. So maybe you and me, I can say, hey, let's go get some lunch, right? Or let's watch a movie, right? Let's watch a movie. So it's just simple. Let's plus a verb. Let's go. Let's go home. Let's get a drink. Let's eat dinner. Let's subscribe to this video. I don't know, but let's do something, okay? So the last way to use imperatives is using let's, and that helps us make a suggestion. So next time you meet your friends, you can say, let's go out for a drink, or let's go see a movie, something like that. Okay? So that's pretty much it for imperatives. Again, any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching.